Plowman Green Sutra Private Limited, which was formed in 2025, was primarily for the purpose of promoting agroforestry and agro-horticulture related interventions in the smallholder farming system. There is a lot of barren land or unproductive land that is available, as we have found out.
What if degraded land could breathe again and communities could thrive with it? Plowman Green Sutra, a nature based solutions company transforming landscapes, livelihoods, and climate futures. Founded in 2025 with the objectives developing and implementing projects for restoring nature, empowering communities, sequestering atmospheric carbon. Our vision is to create a future where nature and livelihoods grow together. We focus on impacting the lives and livelihoods of smallholder farmers through agroforestry, landscape restoration, and sustainably developing both tree and non-tree based livelihood opportunities. By adopting a value chain development approach from farm to market, it's driven by strong collaboration between communities, governments, investors, and partners. By 2030, we aim to restore 50,000 hectares of degraded land, remove 20 million tons of carbon emissions, and empower over 50,000 smallholder farmers. We design and implement sustainable solutions through agroforestry, biodiversity restoration, and carbon sequestration, creating climate resilient livelihoods. Our model combines community ownership, fair revenue sharing, and strong partnerships, ensuring long-term income, employment, and environmental sustainability. Our first initiative is restoring more than 2,700 hectares of degraded barren land, planting 4 million of trees, and improving livelihoods of more than 2,000 of small and marginal farmers through diversified income streams. Currently, we are operating in the state of Madhya Pradesh and planning to expand in Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Jharkhand. With advanced monitoring systems, local partnerships, and market linkages, we ensure transparency, scalability, and measurable impact. Join us corporates, investors, and CSR changemakers to achieve net zero goals while creating real impact on the ground. Plowman Green Sutra, restoring nature, empowering communities, building a sustainable tomorrow.